咪整 banana pancake 啊
Yeah.
So please watch.
Please watch.
Say ingredients for today
Day.
is number 1,
Number 1.
bananas.
Not nice.
Show 佢哋 bananas.
Not nice.
And then
Ew.
擺嗰度啊 So we're going to use 2 banana 咁啦
Two nana.
And then 4 eggs.
Egg. 4 eggs.
Show 佢哋啦 4 eggs 咁啦 Show
4 eggs.
4 eggs. 4 eggs 咁擺上嚟 4 eggs.
Okay.
First 咁啦 First.
First.
Open banana 咁你抌入去啊 Open banana 開啦 Open 啦你唔識開嘅咩係啦 Open 啦開 OK 你抌抌
Okay. Dada.
OK
Miss.
OK Mash So it's pretty mushed up
Make up carrot eggs.
係啊 No 我 open 但你抌入去嗱你抌入去抌入去先啦我幫你洗手抌 Put in Yeah 咁擺喺度 Good job So we're making banana pancakes and simple banana pancake ingredient is bananas and eggs, no flowers. See how it goes.
No color.
No flour 係啊 no flour 你同佢哋講
No color.
Today no foul play. He's not eating the ingredients. Next thing we need to do is obviously warm up the pan. That is very important. Warming up the pan before you put it in. There's a non-stick pan, so I do not have to put oil, but mix in the pan. Okay. It looks a bit lumpy. It looks okay. A little bit lumpy, still okay. And let's give this a shot. So we're going to use a spoon. Not big.
No big. No big. Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So that batch made us quite a few good ones and some bad ones. Hopefully next time I'll succeed. Banting. And there we go. That is banana pancake breakfast. The healthy version. A bit of a success. And you can see easy. Trying to eat it in here.
Pretty good. I like it.
Kylo's cooking.
Pretty healthy. And good. He's just come back.
He's already had breakfast. Okay, food critic. Good cut. Wow, good cut. Good cut and then push. Yasin, try. Eat. Look in the camera. What do you say?
Nice. Wow.
And like he said,
You need mine.
see you in the next one.